Hi, we're Cortex, and today we have some very unusual visitors. Greenshoots School are sending their Year 5 students to come and take a tour and visit our factory here in Danang. Why would we be doing that, you may ask? It's mainly because in 2023, Cortex has an impact agenda that focuses primarily on sustainability and humanity. Here at Cortex, sustainability is very important. From using biodegradable fabrics to having solar panels that generate our own electricity, collecting and reusing rainwater, and growing our own organic garden. We want to show the youth and inspire them that it is possible to own and develop a business while caring about the planet. This is the first time we reached out to the local youth, and we're very excited to have them. And that's why Greenshoots is here today, to show that sustainability and humanity are indeed a part of Cortex's core values. And would you look at that? They're here. Welcome to Cortex.